garlic, honey, bagoong, chicken. Kumakaway na naman si Charlene. Bounty Fresh, young and tender whole chicken. Chicken raised with no antibiotics ever. Laki sa alaga, laking farm fresh. At available sa the meat markets, supermarkets at online grocery shops. Kasalukuyan gumagawa si Charlene ng buttermilk marinade at i-marinate for at least 1 hour or hanggang overnight, pamorningan at i-coat sa flour mixture. Also make sure na i-follow ang Bounty Fresh sa kanilang mga socials for more fresh ideas. I-deep fry until golden brown. Ay nga pala boss, don't forget the sauce. Gisahin ang garlic sa butter, tas buhos na lahat. Honey, sugar, toyo, bagoong, pepper, tubig, and let it simmer for 3 months. 3 minutes. Lagyan ng slurry para lumapot ang sauce. Sa naka-off na apoy, ilagay ang fried chicken at itos hanggang evenly coated. Evenly coated? Ready to serve ang garlic, honey, bagoong chicken. The one you deserve.